Happy Thanksgiving, everyone, and thanks for checking in. I'm meteorologist Todd Delson with your severe weather outlook. We have a couple of major storm systems that have been unfolding over the last several days, and the current one up into the northeast is still bringing some snow and wind to places up there. And the next one in the western U.S. is going to spread more heavy snow and wind throughout the central U.S., and we even have some heavy rain and severe thunderstorms possible in the southern U.S. Here's a look at our temperatures across the nation. 41 Portland, 51 in New York, windy for you today. 49 in Dallas with the cold rain, and then some heavy rain as you get into Southern California. 57 in L.A., almost 15 degrees below average. So the storm that was with us earlier this week, dropping 40 inches of snow at Buckhorn Mountain in Colorado. We even had a foot of snow in Prior Lake, Minnesota. So you can see the snow on the ground from the front range of the Rockies into the upper Midwest, and even some snow into the Northeast. That's where that first storm system is currently located. Storm number 2, again, a very powerful one. We'll hit on that briefly here today, but looking at some wind advisories and high wind warnings for places like D.C. and places down to the west. But again, we do expect to see the winds continue to be gusty in New York. And despite the winds, the iconic balloons flew during the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade per Mayor de Blasio there. There's that storm system. Here comes our next big one. This one so intense that it actually set the lowest pressure ever recorded in the state of California in Crescent City, 973 millibars, which is equivalent to a hurricane. Look at all these winter weather headlines again from the southwest to the upper Midwest. We're going to be looking at another 6 to maybe 12 inches of snow across the central part of Minnesota into the Dakotas. And then we continue to see winter weather headlines and icing possible out into the plains. More heavy snow in the southwest, along with heavy rain, which could lead to some flash flooding. And there is a potential of severe weather today in Arizona.